Have you ever wondered what happens when artificial intelligence stops being just a tool and starts acting like a coworker? That's exactly what's happening right now. Across the world, Fortune 500 companies, tech giants, and even traditional industries like banking and healthcare are quietly rolling out AI agents at scale. Not simple chatbots, but intelligent, autonomous systems that can plan, decide, and execute entire workflows without human supervision. In this moment, the arrival of agentic AI in enterprise is a turning point, because it is not just about replacing repetitive tasks. It is about redesigning how companies actually work. So today, we're breaking it all down. What are AI agents? How are corporations deploying them right now? What does this mean for the future of work and for people like us, the creators, founders, and innovators watching from the sidelines? Let's dive deep and explore the real revolution happening behind closed boardroom doors. The big shift from tools to teammates. For years, AI inside big companies was limited to analytics dashboards, recommendation systems, or customer service bots. It helped humans, but it never acted on its own. Now that's changing. AI agents are becoming autonomous collaborators. Instead of a data analyst running reports, an AI agent connects to the company database, pulls insights, creates a presentation, and emails it to the marketing team automatically. Instead of HR managers manually filtering candidates, AI agents pre-screen, schedule interviews, and even generate personalized offer letters. Instead of a customer support center handling 10,000 tickets, an AI agent triages, drafts responses, and resolves most of them instantly. We've moved from AI assists humans to AI works alongside humans, and for enterprises, this is a dream come true. Because it means faster workflows, fewer errors, lower costs, and a new era of productivity. The rise of agentic platforms. The technology behind this shift is called Agentic AI, systems designed to make decisions, take actions, and learn from results without being micromanaged. These aren't just large language models. They're structured systems built on frameworks like LangChain, AutoGPT, and enterprise-grade orchestration platforms. Microsoft is deploying this through Copilot Studio, where employees can create internal AI agents customized for their departments. Amazon has Agent Core, a platform helping businesses automate logistics, cloud optimization, and customer workflows. And startups like Covalent, Hugging Face, and Crew AI are building the infrastructure layer, APIs, connectors, and security modules that let companies deploy agentic systems safely. Every enterprise wants the same thing: automation that isn't dumb. Systems that can reason, adapt, and improve, not just execute. That's what agentic AI delivers. How corporations are deploying AI agents right now. So how exactly are big companies rolling this out? Let's go behind the scenes. 1. The enterprise sandbox approach. Most corporations start small. They launch internal AI sandboxes, safe environments where departments can experiment. Think of it like a digital playground. Marketing builds a content agent. Finance builds a forecasting agent. Operations build supply chain optimizers. Each team trains and tests their own agents before going company-wide. Once proven, they scale through internal APIs and security frameworks. 2. The shadow agent model. Many enterprises quietly run AI agents in parallel to human teams, not to replace them, but to measure efficiency. For example, an insurance company may have an AI claims processor run alongside human staff. If the AI produces accurate results at lower cost, it gets promoted to production. 3. Full integration into workflows. Once proven safe, these AI agents integrate directly into enterprise software, CRM, ERP, HRM, cloud databases. They handle repetitive workflows 24/7, and they never get tired. Imagine Salesforce with an autonomous sales rep inside it. Or ServiceNow with an AI technician who resolves IT tickets instantly. That's not the future, that's right now. Case study, banking and finance. Let's talk numbers. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and HSBC are investing millions into AI agents that handle regulatory compliance and financial analysis. Instead of thousands of analysts reviewing spreadsheets, an AI agent can read 10,000 pages of reports, highlight risks, summarize findings, and auto-generate compliance filings. In risk management, AI agents simulate economic shocks, calculate exposures, and even generate new models on their own. This isn't replacing finance teams, it's amplifying them. One agent can do the work of 50 analysts and still deliver better accuracy. The result? Faster decisions, reduced operational costs, and fewer compliance errors. Case study, healthcare. In healthcare, Agentic AI is saving time and lives. Hospitals are deploying clinical assistant agents that summarize patient records, schedule lab tests, and recommend treatment plans based on historical data. One U.S. hospital tested an AI workflow assistant. It cut administrative time by 40% and gave doctors more hours with patients. Pharma companies like Pfizer and Moderna use AI agents in R&D, scanning millions of papers, predicting molecular interactions, and accelerating drug discovery. These agents are like tireless scientists. They never stop reading or calculating. Case study, manufacturing. Manufacturing giants like Siemens and General Electric use autonomous agents to monitor factory lines in real time. Sensors feed live data to AI agents that can detect micro-failures, order spare parts, and alert technicians automatically. It's predictive maintenance on steroids. Instead of reacting when a machine breaks, agents predict and prevent breakdowns entirely. The result? Billions saved in downtime. And a more efficient, data-driven production ecosystem. Case study, retail and e-commerce. Retail giants like Walmart and Amazon are using agents for personalization and logistics. AI agents analyze customer behavior, adjust product listings, change pricing dynamically, and optimize delivery routes, all in real time. Imagine a digital operations manager who sees that demand for sneakers spikes in Los Angeles and instantly redirects warehouse inventory. That's not fiction, that's AI agents in action. Why enterprises are obsessed? So why are corporations racing to adopt agentic AI? 3 reasons: efficiency, scale, and strategy. Efficiency. AI agents handle endless repetitive tasks, freeing up employees for creative work. Scale. Once deployed, agents scale instantly. You can double productivity without hiring more people. Strategy. Companies that master automation first gain a huge market advantage. Executives see agentic AI as the new electricity. Whoever plugs in first wins. The challenges behind the hype, of course, is not all perfect. AI agents bring real challenges, especially in enterprise environments. Security. Giving agents access to sensitive systems can be risky. Enterprises must build strong guardrails to prevent data leaks or unintended actions. Compliance. In regulated sectors like healthcare or finance, AI decisions must be explainable. The model said so isn't enough. Integration. Legacy systems often can't communicate with modern AI frameworks. This creates bottlenecks in deployment. Change management. Employees need training to work effectively with AI coworkers. Without cultural adoption, even the best tech fails. Enterprises are learning fast, but the road isn't easy. The rise of AI governance and compliance layers. To manage this complexity, companies are creating new layers of AI governance. They're hiring chief AI officers to set strategy. They're rebuilding AI compliance platforms that log every action an agent takes, from prompt input to decision output. They're implementing kill switches, so if an AI goes rogue, it can be stopped instantly. And they're using tools like Azure AI Studio, Anthropic's constitutional AI, and IBM's Watson's to enforce rules of behavior at the model level. Agentic AI isn't about total autonomy, it's about controlled intelligence. The future belongs to companies that can balance innovation with responsibility. The cultural shift. Humans plus agents. Here's something few people talk about: the human side. When AI agents start working in the same Slack channels, project tools, or CRM dashboards, everything changes. Meetings get shorter, reports get automated, communication becomes data-driven. But there's also anxiety. Will AI take my job? The reality? AI agents won't replace everyone. They'll replace the people who don't use them. The winners in this new era are AI-augmented professionals, marketers who manage AI content engines, analysts who supervise AI models, managers who orchestrate hybrid human-agent teams. In the future, your most valuable employee might be half human, half AI. The future, agentic ecosystems. The next frontier is agent ecosystems, networks of specialized AI agents that talk to each other to complete multi-step goals. Imagine this: a sales agent identifies a lead. A marketing agent creates a custom proposal. A finance agent drafts a quote. A logistics agent checks inventory and shipping. All within seconds, no human input required. That's where the enterprise world is headed: autonomous workflows where human oversight is minimal but strategic. And when companies plug these agents into APIs, CRMs, and cloud infrastructure, it becomes an unstoppable automation network. The economic impact economists predict that agentic AI could add $4 to $7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, not by replacing jobs, but by amplifying them. Enterprises that embrace AI agents early are already seeing 40 to 60% faster productivity gains, according to McKinsey and Deloitte reports. This shift will redefine how companies grow, hire, and compete. We're moving from people-built processes to AI-built processes. Final thoughts: the enterprise AI revolution has begun. The age of agentic AI is no longer theory. It's here, live, and scaling across global enterprises faster than anyone expected. The next time you talk to a customer rep, get a finance report, or see your package delivered early, there's a good chance an AI agent made it happen. For creators, entrepreneurs, and developers, this is the signal. Agentic AI isn't just a buzzword. It is a once-in-a-decade shift in how work gets done. If you can build, manage, or deploy these systems, the opportunity ahead is massive. Because the corporations have already decided the future of enterprise isn't human only anymore, it's human plus agent. And that's where the next trillion-dollar startups will be born.